should I pick to make my healthcare decisions for me? Hi, I'm attorney Crystal Patton of Empowered Legacy Planning and Estate Planning, Estate Administration, and Business Law Firm in Tempe, Arizona. Join me today to learn something new. Before we get started today, a quick disclaimer. The information shared in this video is meant to be general legal information and should not be construed as legal advice. So who should you pick to be your healthcare decision maker? In many states, the healthcare decision maker is also known as a healthcare agent. This is someone that you name in your healthcare power of attorney and designate to make decisions on your behalf. You might wish to name a spouse, an adult child, a parent, a sibling, or even a friend. You want to pick someone who is detail-oriented, someone who is able to keep track of your care and your treatments and your medication. It's also extremely important that you pick someone who is going to follow your wishes. When you're choosing this person, you want to think about whether or not this individual holds the same beliefs that you do. And if they don't, will they be able to look past their own beliefs and follow and carry out your wishes and decisions? You also want to think about whether this person has the emotional strength to make those really hard decisions, such as end-of-life care. In our practice, a lot of times we're asked, what if I don't have someone to make those decisions for me? What if I don't have someone I feel comfortable trusting with this extremely important role? In those situations, we recommend that clients look into naming a private fiduciary. A private fiduciary is an individual or small business that is licensed and insured, and they are trained to carry out your wishes. While private fiduciaries have the authority to make medical decisions, end-of-life decisions, and sometimes mental health decisions for you, they do not provide direct care. Instead, they hire people to do those things for you. A question we often receive is, how do private fiduciaries charge? Most private fiduciaries that we know charge on an hourly basis for the service and the work that they provide. However, you would want to talk to the individual that you are considering to see if they have some other compensation structure, such as a flat fee arrangement for their time. It's also extremely important that you communicate with your healthcare decision makers about the wishes that you have. You may decide that you want to write a letter of instruction to your healthcare agent, or just sit down and have a conversation with them. You may wish to share experiences that you have had making difficult decisions on behalf of someone else, things that you contemplated, considerations that you had, and how you felt making those decisions. Those things will really inform, of course, your feelings on how you want to be taken care of and what you need your agent to know when they're going to be making those decisions on your behalf. There's also a number of tools that you might consider looking at online. If you're an Arizona resident, the Arizona Attorney General's website has a life care planning packet that contains a number of healthcare directives for free. They also provide a number of instructions for you that you might find helpful. If you don't live here in Arizona, you might also wish to consider looking at the 5 Wishes. 5 Wishes can be found at 5wishes.org. It is a very simple and easy to use healthcare directive that is valid in many states, but we would recommend that you use that more of a guideline and talk to an attorney in the state where you live to get specific documents in place. I'm attorney Crystal Patton with Empowered Legacy Planning. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, please hit that like button and comment below with your biggest takeaway. And of course, as always, feel free to share this with others. If you'd like to learn more about this information in this video, we'd love to be your partner in planning. Please feel free to reach out to us, and I hope that this has inspired you to create your own empowered legacy.